Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to board view in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to tap on portfolios and then go into a portfolio that we want to edit. And here under the name of the portfolio we find the list and then a downward pointing arrow next to it. If we tap on this, we can select either whether we want to review the portfolio as a list or as the progress. If we tap on progress, it's going to show how we are progressing with the tasks and how we are sticking to the calendar that we have set. And if we just have a list, we can just check the things that we have in the portfolio. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.